For the ingredients of this recipe, I took 4 cups rice, few coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon zira, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon sticks. You will put this while you're boiling water to cook your rice in it. 1000 grams chicken, V green chilies, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon each of ketchup, haldi powder, dhania powder, zira powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon red color, and lastly salt as per your taste. Few mint leaves, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1½ teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup curd, 1 onion, 1 capsicum. Let's begin. Add 1 tablespoon oil, add in all ingredients from the 2 plates showed you. Stir it well on medium flame. Add in 1 cup curd and cook it for 5 minutes. Put in capsicum and onion and cook it for 3 to 5 more minutes. Now, let's move on to preparing the rice. Take a huge pot filled with water and add zira, cloves and cardamom in it. After the water turns slightly golden, add in rice. After the rice is half cooked, take it out in a sieve. Put the chicken in the pot. Now, we are gonna heat up some coal to give the biryani a smoky flavor. Place the coal in a piece of foil and spray some oil on it. Cover with lid immediately to enclose the smoke. Keep the lid closed for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now, layer the chicken with rice properly. Don't forget to put coriander leaves, fried onion, and oil in it. Close the lid for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Mashallah! It looks delicious. Mix it well and serve. If you enjoyed this smoky chicken tikka biryani recipe, please share and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys!